Clip to save, you will be amazed.
People, better late than never. I'm doing my ad for this week. I'm getting 2 of the mouthwash. It is $4.79. I get a $3 extra buck back. I'm able to do it twice per card. I'm going to use 2 of the $1 P&G coupons, which is going to make me have to pay not too bad. It's going to be $9.58 in the store. I'm going to get $2 off from my coupons. That's going to make it $7.58. Then I'm going to get $6 back in extra bucks. But I'm rolling anyway. Sorry, that was my finger. But I'm rolling anyway, so it's a great deal for me. I'm going to pay $1.58 out of pocket for 2. That's less than $1 a bottle. Then I'm going to do my wipes. You know, as long as these are on as a Ibotta rebate, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do the Simply Summer's Eve wipes. Those are priced at $4.69 in my store. There's not an extra buck deal, but it's a great deal because I have an Ibotta rebate, okay? It's going to be $9.38 for the 2 boxes. I'm going to use my $2 CRT. Then I'm going to use 2 of the $1.50 insert coupons, which is going to bring my price down to $4.38 in the store. I'm going to get $2.50 back from Ibotta, making it be $1.88 for 2 boxes. That's a great deal, lovely people. Great deal. That's it from my haul for today, but it's okay. New ad is starting. I'm going to save some of my coupons because I think I'm going to have some good deals for tomorrow. I'm going to save my CRTs. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.